In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GearUp Booster on Roblox Mobile. So if you're dealing with lag, high ping, or delayed movement, just follow these steps. Now the first thing you want to do is open the Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone and search for GearUp Game Booster. Now once you find it, tap Install, and after it finishes downloading, open the app. Now when GearUp opens, you may be asked to sign up or log in, so just follow the on-screen steps and complete that part. Now once you're inside the app, scroll through the game list or use the search bar and find Roblox. Now tap on Roblox to select it. Now after selecting Roblox, GearUp will show you a list of servers like US, Europe, or Asia. Now what you want to do is select a server close to your location or the one where you usually play with friends. Now after choosing the server, tap on the Boost button. Now GearUp will start optimizing your connection and you'll see a screen showing that the boost is active. Now once boosting is active, tap on Launch Game or just open Roblox normally. Now join any game and you should notice lower ping, smoother movement, and less lag. Now if you still experience lag, you can go back and try a different server or make sure your internet connection is stable and close background apps. And that's it. That's how you use GearUp Booster to reduce lag in Roblox on mobile. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.